Hi, welcome to the Guaranteed Retirement Guy Show. My name is John Stevenson, and today we're going to be talking about the highest paying multi-year guaranteed annuities, or what we call MYGA contracts. And I'm going to show you right now what's available in the market. Okay, so I'm going to share my screen. I want you to see what's available, and I'll kind of show you the top three and all of these, terms, whether it be a 2 or 10 or even 20 years. And then I'll show you even more than that. If you want to go to my website, johnstevenson.com, you'll be able to check the MYGA rates in real time as well. So that's updated every single day, and it comes straight from Annuity Rate Watch. So, all right, let's dive in. So I'm looking at my screen, and you will see the top rates. Okay, these are the top three in each of these categories or each of these terms. Okay. So if we look at these and real quick about MYGAs, if you don't know about MYGAs, the multi-year guaranteed annuity contracts, they're like CDs. Okay. Except they're better. They pay more. And for non-qualified money, they're still tax deferred. Whereas a CD, you got to pay taxes every year. So I love them. They're backed by strong insurance companies, and it's a great way to protect your money against market risk and also build a lot of wealth. Okay, so we'll look at the 2-year, and I'm basing this off of 400,000. Okay, it's in someone in Colorado, and there are different rates available in different states. Okay, most of the time they're very similar across the board. New York, though, has a lot lower rates. California is a little different. So is Colorado. So is Arizona. There is little variations, but not much. Okay, so if you look at the rates, right now the 2-year is paying a 5.2. Okay, you got Exonic Insurance, Ocean View, and Aspida. They're the top three. Okay, the 3-year, Ohio State Life is 5.5, Exonic is 3.35, and Aspida is 5.25. Okay, and if we go to the 4-year, it is a 5.5, 5.25, 5.2. And all of these companies I work with on a regular basis. With the 5-year, it's 5.6, not bad. And Exonic is paying 5.6. So the difference on these is, well, look at the free withdrawal. SBI only allows 5%. Whereas Exonic does not allow anything in the first year, but then 10% thereafter. So if you want more free withdrawals, then you might want to look at Exonic, okay? Because with American Life, they don't give you any. All right, so we'll look at the 6-year, 5.65, not bad with Ocean View. You'll notice here with American National, it's a little different. They're giving you kind of a teaser rate in the beginning. It's like 9.75 in the first year, and then for the next 5 years, it's 4.75. But if you look at the guaranteed yield to surrender, it's 5.58. So that's not bad. Definitely not bad. And they give you a free withdrawal of 10% right from the get-go. Okay, 7 years, Nassau, Heartland, Exonic, Equitrust, ClearSpring, Oxford for the 8 years, it's 5.35. And then you look at the 9-year, it's 5.25 with Liberty Bankers. Definitely a decent company. I work with them a lot too. 10 years, Ocean View is beating everyone out right now at 5.65. It might be different when you're watching this video, but it kind of gives you an idea what is out there. Now, if you go to a 20-year, you can do that. They have a step rate that starts at 3.85 and then it goes up from there. So what you have to remember with these though is it's in there for 20 years. Okay. So that's a long time. But yeah, I mean, 852,000 from 400 grand, you're still doubling your money. But let's go to the 10-year. Let's say you don't want to do that. You want to, usually people don't. They want to keep it down from 10 years or 7 years or 5 years. Those are usually the most popular. But if we look at the 10-year, I'll show you exactly what this looks like. All right. So put this back at 400 grand. And you can see the rate of return right here. 22,600 first year. Second year, more. You can see compounds over the time. By the time you reach year 10, it's $37,000 in earnings. Pretty good. So almost $300,000 in earnings. So your ending balance, guaranteed, is $693,035. It's really good. So, and then you can take that money out. If you want to roll it over into another MYGA contract, you can. If you want to roll it over to an income product, you can. Although if you are looking for income, if that is your main goal, then you probably want to put it into an income rider right from the beginning instead of a MYGA. So it just depends on what your goal is. But if you're looking for legacy and growth, MYGAs are great. Okay, so let's go back. I want to show you all of the MYGAs now, okay? So I was just showing you the top three, okay? Now let's look at, I don't know, let's just see 5 years, okay? And let's say I want to do A or higher. All right, so if we look at that, and we look at all the top ones for 5 years. There's lots of them. Okay. And you see some of them are going up here. And that one's going up. All right, so let's go up here to the top. All right, so 5.6 for the 5-year SBLI. Okay. And that just you can kind of go down and say, all right, you can see there's variations from different companies, different contracts offered. And you can see what they earn. Okay. 5.6, 5.55. Let's see here. Got NASA. See, these are all the 5-year. Okay. Because remember, I'm just showing you the top 3. So what if I go in here and say, well, I want a 10-year. All right. So top 10-year, 5.65. Pretty good. Now let's say I want to do A+ or higher. That's it. I don't want to look at anything else. Well, I'm pretty limited, but I can get it. Reliance Standard is A++, Penn Mutual is A+, Integrity Life is A+. So you don't have to do it that way. And most people don't, but some people do. Some people want that, and that's okay. All right, so I'm going to go back here and say, well, I want at least A- or higher. That's kind of middle ground. I want to make sure that I get a good company, but get a good rate. Okay, that's fair. You look at that and say, all right, well, that's 5.65, followed by Exotic, followed by Lincoln Financial. These are the top, okay? Top 3 for A status, okay? So keep that in mind. So this is showing all the A status. Okay, if I wanted to go down here, yeah, Corbridge is not, holy cow, 2.25, that's ridiculous. Not in today's market. They should be paying a lot more than that. So definitely they're not the contender for, they've got great income products, but not so much for MYGAs. But anyway, so yeah, so there you go. So you can go to my website and you'll be able to do the same thing. I mean, it might not look as fancy as this, but you'll be able to see all the rates available depending on the term that you're looking for. And then if you want to reach out, book a call, and you want to talk about MYGAs for you, or even if you're looking for other products like income products, you got the income riders, you got the SPIAs, DIAs, you got a lot of different annuity contracts out there depending on what you are looking for. But if you're looking for the highest rates and you're looking at a MYGA, and I'm showing you MYGAs that are they're not fee-based, okay? There are other MYGAs where you will get just a little bit more, but then they'll charge you a fee for it, and the overall yield is usually less than what the ones I'm showing you as well. So there's transparency for you, but I am showing you the highest ones that are available in the market that, in my opinion, you're gonna have the highest yield as well overall. So anyways, if you want to book a call, there's a link below this video. It goes directly to my calendar. And of course, if you want to go to my website, johnstevenson.com, you'll be able to look at the rates there, everything that's available on the market. And then if you decide you want to book a call, go ahead and do so there as well. So I'd be happy to answer your questions. And of course, if you're looking to purchase a MYGA contract, I'd love to help you do that as well. So thanks for watching. If you liked the video, make sure you click the like, the share. Make sure you ask questions. If you got questions, ask them. I'll answer them, okay? Would love to help. So I appreciate you watching, and we'll see you next time.